We are Exel Computer Systems, a UK-based software author of Eagle Field Service. The Eagle Field Service Management System is a complete solution for both back-office and mobile users who work in the service sector. Information and resources are delivered in real time to field-based engineers via their mobile devices. Our solution caters for business-to-business or business-to-consumer operations, as well as planned and reactive maintenance environments. We have modules available in all the following areas: a powerful and flexible system enabling rapid quotation generation and the management of detailed tender documentation. Any number of supported products or assets across any number of sites can be supported. Individual service level agreements may be defined by supported product. Businesses that need to monitor and control after-sales service for their customers can raise cases and monitor them through their entire life cycle, providing up-to-the-minute KPI information. The scheduling board uses rule-based assisted scheduling to aid the operator to select the right engineer the first time, every time. Service engineers are provided with real-time access to cases, site history, schedules and documents via the Eagle mobile solution. Users are able to monitor stock levels in warehouses and vans. Minimum stock levels and reorder quantities can be defined by vehicle and part number to automatically replenish low stock. A flexible system for managing and automating your invoicing requirements, designed for ease of use and to deliver powerful management reporting. Other integrated modules available within the Eagle solution include Service CRM, Document Management, Repair Workshop, Projects, Customization Toolsets and Workflow. Want to find out more about Eagle Field Service? Then visit us at exel.uk.